Kidsland.
Bahasa Indonesia tidak bisa diunduh karena tidak ada koneksi internet. Silakan hubungkan ke internet untuk mengunduh bahasa Indonesia.
The piggy and her friends got very hungry. Let's help her gather all the food. Tap on the screen to make the piggy jump. Tap on the screen twice for the piggy to make a double jump. have to be fancy. Let's help them do that. Drag and drop the sheep on the decorations they like. That's all. Our sheep are hungry. They like to eat fresh grass. To make the grass grow, pour some grains from a sack onto the seedbed. Amazing! Hooray! That's all. This is Dolly the sheep. She was walking around and got dirty. Let's give her a bath. Soap her fur. Well done! Now let's wash the soap off with water. Now Dolly's clean and dry. Let's give her a haircut. Slide the hair trimmer over the sheep. Sheep love haircuts. Ready. Well done. Now spin the spinner to make threads. Ready. Now we have lots of colorful threads. Let's knit some nice warm things. Drag the threads to the outline. Don't stop. We did it. Don't stop. Keep it up. Don't stop. You're doing really great. Done. This is Rosie the horse. Let's feed her. Drag hay from the sheaf into the feeder. Keep up the good work. Keep it up. That's all. To keep Rosie's legs from hurting, we need to shoe her. Use the hammer to hit the nails. We did it! Keep it up. Done! It's time to plow our garden. Put a collar, a saddle, and a plow on Rosie. Now let's make seed beds. Lead Rosie along the garden. She will plow. Ready. Our hens are hungry. Feed them with the grain from the sack. We did it! Keep up the good work. Done! The hens are sated now and ready to lay eggs. Catch eggs with the basket. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Ready. Our hens have scattered all over the garden. Catch them and drag them into the pen. You're doing really great. Hooray! Ready. Meet Molly the cow. Let's feed her. Drag the food right into her mouth. Hooray! Keep it up. Done! Now Molly is sated and ready to give us lots of milk. Pull her udder to fill the basin with milk. Keep it up. Don't stop. Ready. Now we need to pasture our Molly, water the lawn, and the plants for our cow will grow on it. Hooray! You're doing really great. That's all.